Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to change Safari's tab bar design in iOS 26 on iPhone. Apple has thoroughly redesigned Safari in iOS 26 with a sleek, compact default layout, but it hasn't forgotten users who prefer traditional styles. So, if you're not a fan of the new look, iOS 26 gives you complete control to switch between three different tab bar designs. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select the Apps option. And then you have to scroll down again and select Safari. And then you have to head over to the tab section and choose your preferred layout. And the first one is Compact. It offers a cleaner, more condensed layout where core controls like Share, Bookmarks, and tabs are hidden under a three-dot menu next to the URL bar. This design prioritizes screen space and complements the new liquid glass aesthetic. And then we have bottom tab bar. It keeps the URL bar and controls at the bottom of the screen, making it easier to reach with one hand, perfect for larger iPhones or quick navigation. And finally, you have the top tab bar. It brings a more classic feel to Safari by placing the address bar and options at the top of the screen, much like a desktop browser, and that's about it. Once selected, the change applied immediately, and you can open Safari to see the new layout in action. No reboot or restart required. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.